Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bitcoin is dumping right now, not just Bitcoin, the stock market as well. And the stock market has been getting hammered recently. The last weeks I've been starting to buy where I think we're close to the bottom. Most stocks, most of even the big ones, pulling back 50 to 70%, huge pullbacks. We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades, what I think is going to happen to the market. Hit the subscribe button, join 73,000 people. Smash up the thumbs up button, and let's jump straight into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And at the moment, look at this red market. Everything is just getting annihilated. Tesla down 8% today. Huge pullback on Tesla. And it's coming down strong. But we do have a major support for Tesla coming up here at $86. But there can be more of a drop. There's always a saying, sell in May and go away. And we haven't even entered May yet, which is crazy. Tesla easily, in my opinion, going to pull back to 862. But let's go into Bitcoin. Look at this. CRV down 5%. BIT down 5%. XRP down 5%. NEO 4%. This is the stock and cryptos market. Dogecoin. Coinbase. Look at Coinbase. The IPO of Coinbase was $426. Now we're sitting at $129. It's 30%. It's 1/3 the price of the IPO, which is absolutely insane. In my opinion, though, this is the time to start buying Coinbase, and I've been buying a lot of it down here, and I'm going to keep adding more of it because why? The revenues are insane. Facebook also 3.5%, BNB 3%. The market's just getting annihilated. Total market cap dropping $460 billion today. Or is that 460 million? 460 million. But let's go into Bitcoin USDT. Bitcoin right now again testing this major trend line, this channel that we've been in. It's again testing this channel on Bitcoin, which is not so nice. We've been in this channel since the beginning of the year, from 43,000 to 34,000 to 45,000 to 36,000, and now we're sitting right on it. We had a breakout. We had a pump earlier yesterday. There was 140,000 Bitcoin bought and sold yesterday, and we had a little bit of a pump with a big wicks on the bottom, which is usually bullish sign when you have these big wicks. That mean that there's a lot of buying. The bulls are kind of pushing it back up. But today again dumping in. RSI making lower highs, and which is interesting. It's still dumping. EMA, we got rejected hard off the EMA. It's pushing to the downside. RSI is heading down. Stochastic is also now turning to head down. MACD is still trying to cross, but it's not looking at it. Just evaporated all of its positivity for Bitcoin, mainly because the stock market dumped so hard. VPVR, we have the major support coming up here at the 39,000. This is where the most buying and selling has been happening on Bitcoin. Crypto Guru Bot still fire to sell. It hasn't flipped to a buy when everyone went bullish earlier today, including me. Bitcoin Indicator Bot also not firing a buy yet. So two big signs. The moving averages also underneath the moving averages. On the 4-hourly, Bitcoin having a huge dump in the last 4-hourly candle. In the last 3 hours, we went from 40,600 to 39,500. Big selling pressure. RSI has turned to head down. It's still loading. Stochastic still got dropping very strongly. RSI, where is the RSI? Not showing up. MACD also to head down. Weird, RSI is not showing. Let's see if we can. Oh, there it is. RSI also turning to head down. So it's not looking. All the indicators now turning to head down. Stochastic a lot more to drop. MACD also turning down. But right now we're sitting on this major support area. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold here. EMA ribbons, we're back underneath the EMA ribbons in one big dump. Again, the major support on the VPVR is at 39. Crypto Guru Bot still firing a sell, hasn't fired a buy yet. Bitcoin Indicator Bot not fired a buy. It didn't fire a sell actually. It's still in the buy from the Bitcoin Indicator Bot. So again, we're still within this broadening ascending wedge, and this is a bullish technical pattern, a broadening wedge. This one here, it's like a megaphone. This is a bullish pattern. And it's playing within this broadening wedge. We had this big bounce, and then we're coming down. Now, there is one hope in the way. If we go into the 4-hourly, and on the hourly was actually quite clear, which I kind of missed in my video. Bitcoin dumping even more. Look at this. In the last 2 hours, Bitcoin went from 40,300 to 39,300. Look at it dropping right now. Bitcoin having a big annihilation with the whole stock market. This was a clear double top here. We had spikes up, double top, and spikes up, double top with low volume. That should have been indicated to sell. I should have got out because I had $500 or $600 worth of profits on my trade, $700, and now that profit's almost been evaporated. Now we're coming to a major support, but again, not looking good. However, it was forming a cup and handle, but now the wick is going down too much. So it's not really forming a cup and handle anymore. Not looking good for Bitcoin. If it keeps playing out this way without much, most likely going to come back down to 37,700. RSI got more to go. Stochastic oversold, but still heading down. It's just the stock market open with such red day. Look at this, Tesla 8%, Palantir 6%, BIT, CRV 5%. Everything is down in the red, everything. Airbnb 1.6%, Bitcoin 2%, FTT 2.5%, Uber down 2.6%, the entire markets. The Nasdaq is also not looking good. It's on a major support, the Nasdaq right now on the hourly. If it breaks here, and it looks like it's going to because this is the fourth touch, if it breaks, we have still a big support on the Nasdaq down here. So it's erased a lot of gains actually. It's down 30% the Nasdaq from its all-time high. Let's see if it can hold here. We're on this big trend line that's coming up very soon for the Nasdaq, but that's what pushed Bitcoin down so much. Now I'm going to show you my trades. I think we're closer to the bottom than the top, but underneath this video, if you want to trade Bitcoin, if you go down below, you can sign up to Bybit, and when you sign up to trade Bitcoin, altcoins, Luna, CRV, all the main altcoins are on Bybit. You get 4,600 USD of bonuses. Why I like using Bybit: if you've been using other exchange, you get liquidated easily, or you have very high fees, or you get liquidation spikes, or you've been hacked. Bybit's never been hacked. This is why I use this exchange. It's got a lot of good things about it. You get 4,600 USD when you sign up to Bybit. The link in description and pin comment. You can use NordVPN if you have any country restrictions. And in my Bybit account, I have 197,700, so around down $2,000 today. It was up to 102,000, so taking a big hit. CRV losing all its gains. It was at 42k today. I have 197,000, almost 198,000 in this account. BIT down $1,000 from where I bought it earlier today, and my Bitcoin trade was up $700, now down $392. It's a $4,000 trade. It added more to the trade automatically. The liquidation, the stop loss is at 37,700. It's a $4,000 trade, so we're at 10x leverage, $40,000 worth of Bitcoin, and not so good right now. Big drop in the price from Bitcoin, that unexpected dump. It was looking bullish until the stock market opened. Now we're still on a major support for Bitcoin here, so let's see if it holds. This is a major support, but the more we're testing this area without getting strong bounces up, the weaker Bitcoin is looking. And if it does break here, the next major support is at 33,000. So Bitcoin could be really dumping, and it's very possible because the stock market is just getting annihilated. It's not just Bitcoin, it's not crypto. Tesla 8% today. Look at this big hit coming down to this major support. CRV Neo down 4.3. It's also the Coinbase. It's all-time low. Look at this all-time low for Coinbase. Facebook 3% after being. Look at Facebook drop from 384 down to 181. One of the biggest companies in the world is half its valuation. And the market is just getting annihilated right now. So it's a dangerous time for Bitcoin cryptos. I've got my stop loss set at 37,000. I've also got some orders for Bitcoin here. I've got an order for Bitcoin to buy more Bitcoin to go long at 37,600. And I have spot buys for Bitcoin at 37,200 and 31,200. So I've got buy areas for Bitcoin where I'll be buying up a lot of Bitcoin if it comes down here expecting bounces. But right now, my trade went from positive 700 to negative 325 in a matter of minutes, because when the stock market opened, if we don't get a close to the green today, and there's a saying, but sell in May and go away. We haven't even started May yet. This is already such a huge, we've had massive drops across the stock markets, across the crypto markets. It's one of the most dangerous times, and luckily I sold most of my positions in November of last year, and now I've started to buy down the bottom, but it looks like we've got further to fall. But I do think we're close to the bottom, but this is not looking good for the markets overall. It's like really a brutal time in the markets. Hit the subscribe button, join 72,000 people, smash up the thumbs up on it. What I would be doing here is laddering down. I'm starting to buy down here, and I'm buying as we come down more, if we come down more, because I think we are close to the bottom. Crypto markets, Bitcoin, if it doesn't hold, it's got more to drop. But the stock markets, the stocks I'm buying, Facebook, Coinbase, Tesla, as we come down, Tesla can drop a lot more. Facebook and Coinbase I like the most. Twitter I bought a lot of before this announcement of Elon Musk buying it as predicted. Thank you for watching, everyone. Let me know what you think down below. Do you think we've got more to drop? Do you think the crypto markets and stock markets are going to drop more? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.